in the galley. Today we're going to make ourselves some Nahavo tacos because we are kind of running out of taco shells, and we're running out of tortillas, the small ones anyway. So we're going to make some Nahavo taco shells. So in Big Red here we've got flour, baking powder, and salt. And in my jug I have some evaporated milk. We're going to incorporate this into the pot. Careful to keep clear of the moving mixing blade. You want to incorporate this and let it mix. Your objective at the end of the day is to get consistency of a dough. It's not going to rise like a bread, but it's almost like a biscuit dough. You want it not too wet, and this is where we go. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to roll out my stuff, but I'm going to make some with cornmeal. My flour mixture. I'm going to cornmeal, choco seasoning, and some flour. I'm going to mix that all together. Mixed. I'm going to throw that on the board. I'm going to get my... and we're going to roll it out. Okay, so we got it rolled out. Very thin. Now, we don't have a cutting thing that big, so we're going to use this big can. That's going to get us the shape we want. There's our taco shape. Okay, so we don't have a deep fryer, so this is our best alternative. So we have our thing here. We're going to place that in there. Just the oil's probably not quite hot enough. Okay, so we cook until it's golden brown. Golden brown. Beautiful. How is it? We got on taco. Come like a biscuit.
We call it fried bigs.
And that's gonna be our base for our tacos today.
It's like banded, right? But we call it fried bigs.
Excellent.